Good evening everyone, and a very hearty welcome to all our patrons and advisors who have all gathered here on July 10, 2010 at the curtain raiser meet of Child Health Congress 2010 at India Islamic Cultural Center to make this Child Health Congress the first of its kind initiative a grand success. I have been into this field of healthcare communication for the last 15 years, and it has been haunting me that why November 14, which is Children's Day in India, is celebrated globally as World Diabetes Day too. So it should also be known as a Children's Health Day. So that's why this Child Health Congress on November 14 this year. And what better than a place like India Expo Mart, Greater Noida, which is an international class exhibition place and very well equipped to handle such a big conference. And Child Health Congress is an initiative wherein we have got all the like-minded people. The organizers HEAL, which is a network of health writers of the country, and it is an health awareness and an advocacy platform, who have done so many workshops and seminars in the past, whether it being the issues of child health, nutrition, the latest being the issue on medical ethics. And similarly, we got a like-minded organization in the form of Vision Mission Foundation, whose main objective is to work in the field of awareness at ground level on diabetes and metabolic diseases. And who other than being the chairman of the conference, Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, one of the leading topmost pediatrician of the country, and other like-minded doctors and policymakers and the schools and the experts from the school, the experts on school health. And in this Child Health Congress, we have also taken, for the first time, we have taken an initiative of emphasizing on school health programs. The school health programs, which we have titled Fit for Future. We are doing a series of such programs as pilot projects, one with the Amity International School. They are covering eight of their schools and more than 3,000 children. And similarly, we will take these pilot projects in other sectors of the country, where we do an analysis that what would be the ideal module of a school health program, which covers all the psychological, physical, nutritional and all aspects of children's health. And more than that, in this Child Health Congress, we are trying to involve other than the leading doctors and the key opinion leaders of the country by formulating a scientific program divided into segments of fetal medicine, the pediatric medicine and the adolescent health of children. We are also trying to cover the social aspects of child health, where we will be having partners as the Ministry of Health, Government of India, Ministry of Health, Delhi government and other such like-minded NGOs and organizations and schools who will be coming together to emphasize on the social aspects of child health, which our country needs in a big way.
Expo Mart at Greater Noida has experienced quite a few international events in the recent past. It was here that the last conference of Association of Physicians of India was held in January 2009. This conference witnessed the participation of 7,000 national and international delegates. Child Health Congress 2010 is an attempt to gauge how healthy our nation's children are or could be if we were to realize as a nation the full healthcare potential. This is not to alarm you, but just to forewarn. This Congress aims to provide lasting solutions to current problems, if not addressed, can spread beyond control. The Congress aims to bring about pragmatic healthcare modules that will bring the discussions to fruition to ensure that they make a significant on-ground difference. The first of its kind Congress aims at bringing together medical professionals, students, teachers, principals, children with special needs, juvenile diabetics, representatives from the corporate sector, NGOs and relevant stakeholders.
I hope and wish that all the problems related to child health will be discussed, and we are expecting people from all walks of life and eminent speakers, eminent doctors and non-government organizations, eminent personalities to take part in this Congress.
All the issues are to be discussed threadbare so that we can arrive at and implement solutions that can bring about a paradigm shift in the way child health and wellness is handled in our country. The concept has been received well, and some organizations have decided to make common cause with HEAL and Vision Mission Foundation.
The world is left to us not by our parents, but is lent to us by our children. So any conference or activity associated with children's, especially health and nutrition, is extremely important. I'm very proud to be associated with the HEAL Foundation and Vision Mission Foundation in organizing the Child Health Congress, which is being held on 14 November 2010 in New Delhi. Both the All India Institute of Medical Sciences as well as International Council for Control of Iodine Deficiency Disorders is privileged to be a partner in this important exercise.
The scientific sessions promise us discussions around juvenile diabetes and childhood obesity. There will be separate sessions for stem cell banking and immunization.
We have been studying the childhood obesity for quite some time, and as per the data that indicates, the prevalence for childhood obesity was around less than 10% in the early 90s. But right now the studies indicate that it has gone up to as much as 25% of the population. So this rapid increase puts these children at increased risk of problems like diabetes and cardiovascular health risk. And therefore it's important to tackle this problem and prevent it from becoming a major problem of our youth. In this regard, I feel the forthcoming Child Health Congress would be an important platform which will bring all the stakeholders, that is the children, parents, teachers and nurses, dietitians and also physicians on a same platform to discuss the various problems and to find out the possible solutions.